Preheat your oven at 190 degrees C and weigh out all your ingredients. As the oven preheats, mix your flour, baking powder and salt in a bowl. Beat the eggs lightly with a spoon to mix the yolks and the whites together. We then take a clean mixing bowl and cream the butter and sugar together using a handheld whisk. The butter needs to be softened and at room temperature. You'll notice as we go that the mix will become slightly fluffy, like so. It will also be lighter in color. Next, add in the egg and beat it with the whisk again till the mix becomes light and fluffy. It feels a bit runny at first, but as we go, it will thicken up. Next, we fold in the dry ingredients. Next, we add the dry ingredients. Make sure not to overbeat the mix once the flour's been added. Add the milk. Add the vanilla essence. And mix again till just about incorporated. We don't want to overmix once the flour has been added. Fold in the blueberries. These blueberries were a bit big, so we chopped them up. Take a lined pan. This is lined with butter paper and just a little bit of oil. And we spoon in the batter into the loaf tin and level it with your spatula. All done, and into the oven next at 170 degrees C for about 30 minutes. Once the cake is done, you'll be able to check with a knife. If the knife comes out clean, the cake is done. Once the cake is completely cool, we run a palette knife down the sides like so to release the cake from the tin. When you invert and tap, the cake will release gently on its own. This cake is now ready to garnish and serve. You could do that like here with a little bit of icing sugar, or just serve it as it is. Your blueberry pound cake is now ready to serve. Enjoy it with a cup of tea or coffee.